Hey guys, as you know, I'm doing a braid out and I'm using Cream of Nature samples that they gave the girls at my college. I don't use this brand, but I didn't want to waste them. I got a bowl to mix the samples I had to be easier to apply to my hair. I have Aunt Jackie's Seal It Up Hydrating Sealing Butter. And I got my oil trio, Argan, Olive, and Teatree. So first I'm going to empty the curl repair leave-in into the bowl. Next is the moisture curl hair milk. Third is hydrating curling cream. Next is Aunt Jackie's sealing butter. Lastly, some Essential 7 treatment oil. Here's what it looks like, so now I'm going to mix that all together. When you're done, put some in your hand and apply it to your hair. As you can see, my hair is already in braids because that's how I washed it. So now I'm going to pin some up. After I pin my hair up, I'm going to unbraid some because they're too big. This looks like a big enough size after splitting it in half, so now I will braid it. After braiding it, I'm going to apply some Shine and Hold Control Glue. I squeezed out a small enough amount in order to cover one braid. Here's a better visual. Now I will add it to each braid and let it dry for a day. Alrighty, so it's the next day and everything is dry as you can see. So now I'm going to put some Argan Oil in my hands and just put it on my hair so that it's not dry and looks somewhat shiny. After that, start taking down your braids. Up close, you can see how it turned out. Here's two braids I've unbraided and it looks like everything is going pretty solid so far. Finally finished unbraiding everything, so now I'm going to start separating some strands to add my volume. Don't separate too much because it'll start looking too poofy and you may not be able to see the curls anymore. And make sure you be gentle and don't tangle your hair. I have finished separating necessary strands, so I'm going to take a pick and pull where my roots are so it can look even more full. This is my first time even doing this step, so I'd say it's pretty optional depending on how big you want your hair. Also, these products didn't really do much for my hair, so make sure you have a good moisturizing cream and gel that works for you because you want the braid out to look as defined as possible. Here's a closer look as to what it looks like. It's not too bad, but with the right products, it can look even better. Hope you enjoyed the video!